As financial service companies focus on integrating communication tools, computing devices, kiosks, and customer service applications to enable secure banking transactions for customers, they face the challenge of supporting these smart but complex solutions. Any loss in speed, quality, reliability, or other issues can be extremely disruptive to employees and customers. Whether it's resolving an intermittent video quality issue during remote training of new hires, or determining what is causing no dial tone and issues with the voice announcement in the IVR, or dealing with false alarms. The IT team needs a support provider that will make it easy for them to proactively prevent problems, rapidly resolve issues if they do occur, and continually optimize solution performance. Avaya can deliver just that. Avaya can provide the IT network engineer with a network monitoring tool that gathers performance data continuously in the background to quickly conclude if there is jitter and delay driving poor audio quality during the remote video training sessions. IT can see that the video traffic is losing its preferential treatment in the service provider cloud before it gets to the branch. Problem identified. A quick call to the service provider gets the network reconfigured. Problem solved. The next training session goes off without a hitch. Remember the no dial tone and issues with the voice announcement in the IVR? With Avaya support, the automated monitoring and resolution tool will easily detect a media resource issue that is causing the problem. The tool will remotely connect to the media server and performs a series of commands that are routinely run by our Avaya support personnel. It will isolate the affected board, perform a reset on it, and then release it back into service. This function clears the condition, and the ability to make and receive voice calls on that trunk is restored. No human intervention required, and solved in minutes. However, that's not all. Avaya will automatically execute diagnostics and identify additional proactive actions for the customer to take, such as automated backups are not configured or higher than expected failed login attempts leading to possible security concerns. So what does this mean to a financial services company? It means no added costs for sniffers or probes, no finger pointing, and no on-site visits required. It means 93% auto-resolution of alarm-generated service requests. It means being 73% more likely to avoid outages. And it means up to 50% faster resolution using our network monitoring tool. And this is one of the many reasons why Avaya is #1 in worldwide voice maintenance and voice support services. And the world's top 10 insurance companies and 8 of the world's top 10 banks use Avaya support. So go focus on your strategic projects and we'll take care of your network. Your support experience is our top priority.